Why is AI crucial in language learning? Well, it's all about accessibility, versatility, and the ability to customize the learning experience to fit the learner's needs. AI has indeed revolutionized language learning, and today we're going to delve into three prominent platforms: ChatGPT, Bing, and Bard. ChatGPT is an AI platform that offers voice capabilities on its mobile app, but unfortunately, these features aren't available on the web version. This is where ChatGPT Mod comes into play, enhancing the voice capabilities on the web with some bonus features. This gives the mod a solid 4.5 stars. Bing, on the other hand, provides voice features on both web and mobile, but it falls short when it comes to voice response triggering, earning it a 3-star rating. Bard offers voice capabilities on the desktop web, but it lacks built-in speaking on mobile, earning it 4 stars. In terms of speed and accent control, critical for adapting to proficiency levels, ChatGPT Mod takes the lead with adjustable listening speed and various accents, earning 4 stars. Bing and Bard, however, lack control in this aspect, both receiving 2 stars each. Now let's talk about switching between languages. ChatGPT allows easy language switching in text and voice, earning 3 stars. ChatGPT Mod, with its additional features, scores higher with 4.5 stars. Bing and Bard support typing in multiple languages, but they limit voice conversations to one language, resulting in a 2-star rating. Mobile accessibility is a must for on-the-go learning. ChatGPT, with its dedicated app, earns 3.5 stars. ChatGPT Mod enhances this with voice features, scoring 4.5 stars. Bing's dedicated mobile app receives 4 stars, while Bard, lacking a mobile app, gets 2 stars. Internet access is another crucial feature, allowing discussions on current topics. ChatGPT lacks real-time information but allows source requests, earning 2 stars. Bing provides internet access on both web and mobile with source citation, earning 4.5 stars. Bard offers internet access but lacks source transparency, getting 3.5 stars. Structured collaborative learning involves sharing conversations and customizing AI responses. ChatGPT excels in sharing conversations, earning a full 5 stars. Bing and Bard, however, offer link sharing but face challenges, resulting in 2 stars for Bing and 3 stars for Bard. In terms of structured responses, ChatGPT shines with versatility, earning 5 stars. Bing follows suit with good adaptability, scoring 4 stars. Bard, however, struggles in this aspect, receiving 2 stars. In conclusion, ChatGPT Mod emerges as the well-rounded choice, offering versatility across various aspects of language learning. Bing provides a strong alternative for topics requiring internet access, while Bard shows promise but needs further improvement. Language learning with AI is a fascinating journey, and these platforms are here to make that journey more engaging and effective.